Hi, let us get started with Web Analytics Basics. Web Analytics is the collection, reporting and analysis of website data. The focus is on identifying measures based on your organizational and user goals and using the website data to determine the success or failure of those goals and to drive strategy and improve the user's experience. Some of the sources of web analytics data are web traffic data reports, web server performance data reports, web transactional data reports, usability studies, and user submitted information and related resources. For goals as a framework item. What is it? Your site's major goals should essentially outline why you have a website. So basically it will be your objective of your website. Ideally it is your business objective. Examples: to educate the public about safe handling of food. Objectives. Objectives help outline what it takes to achieve your goals. To reach as many online users looking for information on food safety and convert them into site visitors. Calls to action are tasks that site visitors must complete as part of your site's goals and objectives. Example: online users come to the website because it was listed on search engines as a credible source for food safety content. Then, key performance indicators or key performance indices. Key performance indicators are metrics in which we can measure each call to actions. Example: website's search click-through rate for keywords related to food safety. Search visits to the website for keywords related to food safety. So these will be called as KPIs. Then targets. Targets are thresholds that determine whether search click-through rate in queries for food safety should be no less than 10%. Search visits show an increasing trend. This is from usability.gov website. This is about the basics of website analytics. Basically, you measure the data so as to take the necessary actions to achieve your end goals.